This is Kathy from Gadget Stop 321, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my most recent pen purchase. I ordered it from a seller on eBay who is located in Japan, and it only took 4 days for this package to travel from Japan to me in the USA. I was surprised that it got here so quickly, so I'm excited to open it up and get into it. I'm surprised that it's not arriving in the retail packaging. I think this is called the red finish. The Pilot Legno is a wood pen, the same body style as the Stargazer or the Stella. And it says Legno 89s on the band. Let me see. I have a black Legno, and on the black it has a different feel to it. They must be made out of two different types of wood. I'll have to look at them a little more closely together. This feels more like, and you can kind of hear, it feels like the wood on my Pilot S20 mechanical pencil, but it's a little bit lighter. They look a little closer in color in real life. The camera makes them look a little more different. I don't know, the pen does look a little more, leans a little more brown than red. It's a snap cap, and it's a number 3 fine nib. No converter included, but I've got several. The little Pilot, I think it's the Con 40, the newest ones. But I'm going to go rinse this out and ink it up and give it a try. Okay, I've rinsed out the Legno and I've inked it up with Colorverse Dark Energy, one of my favorite note-taking inks. And I mentioned a minute ago that I was surprised that this pen didn't come with any of the original packaging because I thought the eBay listing had described it as new, but I went back and checked and they described it as unused. So I don't think they've misrepresented this pen. I'm going to go ahead and do a writing sample first because I'm eager to see how it writes. All right, I'm very pleased with the way this pen writes. My black Pilot Legno that I bought, and I'm pretty sure this one was listed as used. The nib was in very bad shape when I received it. I had to do quite a bit of work on it, and it writes really well now. Let me see. I want to compare how they feel. They feel differently because I've done work on this one. They're both very smooth, but this one I can tell is a factory worked on nib. It feels more like the nib that came on my Pilot Custom 74. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.